Want to fix that annoying Roblox Error Code 600? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back into your favorite experiences. Let's dive in. First things first, Error Code 600 often indicates that your account has been prohibited from accessing a specific experience, or even due to a broader account restriction. Sometimes it's a temporary network hiccup. Now let's try some basic troubleshooting. Restart your router and clear your Roblox cache. On PC, press Windows plus R, type %local app data %, find the Roblox folder and delete it. This can often resolve local data conflicts. Next, ensure your Roblox client is fully updated to the latest version. Head to the Roblox website or App Store to check for updates. Also, try playing from a different browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. These can sometimes interfere with Roblox's connection or detection systems. You might also consider changing your DNS settings to Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 in your network adapter settings. If the error persists, it's highly likely your account is restricted from that specific game, or even globally. Do not create new accounts to bypass a ban, as this can lead to permanent bans. Instead, contact the game creator, often via their Roblox group or Discord, and politely ask for a review of the ban. If it's a broader account issue, contact Roblox support directly through their website and appeal the moderation. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.